The Tiger King, Part 3. The British officers' secretary sent word to the Maharaja through the Diwan that the Durai himself did not have to kill the tiger. Now the British officer secretary, they sent a word through the Diwan ke Durai jo hai, Durai means British officer, who said that he wanted to come to Pratipandapuram to hunt tigers. He sent a word कि he does not want to kill the tiger. The Maharaja could do the actual killing. उसने कहा कि देखिए महाराजा मार सकते हैं असलियत में. What was important to the Durai was a photograph of himself holding the gun and standing over the tiger's carcass. He said that he has just have to take a photograph that he's holding a gun and standing over the tiger's carcass. Carcass means dead body. Actually at the time it was a fashion कि आदमी खड़ा है गन लेकर, and there was a matter of pride कि कितने tigers किसने मारे हैं. But the tiger would not agree even to this proposal. But Maharaja did not agree. If he relented now, relented means if he became less strong now, what would he do if other British officers turned up for tiger's hunt? And he thought कि अगर आगे British officers ने यही request की तो what he will say. Because he prevented a British officer from fulfilling his desire, Maharaja stood in danger of losing his kingdom itself. And now one more hurdle came, and that hurdle was now कि अगर British officer को मना कर दिया अब तो बाद में जो है he might lose his kingdom. The Maharaja and the Diwan held deliberations. Deliberations means discussions over this issue. As a result, telegram was dispatched forthwith to a famous British company of jewelers in Calcutta. और इसके तहत एक टेलीग्राम भेजा गया. फेमस कंपनी थी जूलर्स की कलकत्ता में. Send samples of expensive diamond rings of different designs. और उनको एक मैसेज भेजा गया कि you send some samples of diamond rings of different designs. And these diamond rings were purchased for wife of British officer. Some 50 rings arrived. Maharaja sent the whole lot to the British officer's good lady. The king and the minister expected the Durasani to choose one or two rings and send the rest back. Now king as well as his minister, they expected कि Durasani जो होंगी, जो wife होंगी, good lady होगी, she will take one or two and the rest will come back. Within no time at all, the Durasani sent a reply, "Thank you very much for your gifts." And Durasani instead she sent a message कि thank you, and she kept all. In 2 days, a bill of 3 lakh of rupees came from British jewelers. Maharaja was happy that though he had lost 3 lakh of rupees, he had managed to retain his kingdom. But Maharaja was very contented, very satisfied कि चलो he had only lost 3 lakhs of rupees, but he managed to retain. Retain means have possession of his kingdom. क्या होता अगर उसकी kingdom ही चली जाती? The Maharaja's tiger hunts continued to be highly successful, and this side Maharaja's hunts, they were going on very, very successful. Within 10 years he was able to kill 70 tigers. And then an unforeseen hurdle brought his mission to a standstill. But then an unforeseen means unexpected hurdle brought his mission. उनका जो मिशन था, जो इम्पोर्टेंट असाइनमेंट था टाइगर किलिंग का, वो स्टैंड स्टिल पर आ गया, वो रुक गया 70 के बाद. द टाइगर पॉपुलेशन बिकेम एक्सटिंक्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ प्रतिपंदापुरम. और जो टाइगर पॉपुलेशन थी इट बिकेम एक्सटिंक्ट मीन्स इट वाज नो लॉन्गर इन एग्जिस्टेंट. प्रतिपंदापुरम के जितने भी फॉरेस्ट थे उसमें सारे टाइगर्स ख़त्म हो चुके. हु नोज़ वेदर द टाइगर्स प्रैक्टिस्ड बर्थ कंट्रोल or committed harakiri. And now it was a comic writer is writing very comic lines. He says कौन जानता है, हो सकता है टाइगर्स ने बर्थ कंट्रोल शुरू कर दिया हो और they started committing harakiri. Harakiri is killing oneself by cutting one's stomach. हो सकता है टाइगर्स अपने आप सुसाइड कर रहे हो और simply run away from the state because they desired to be shot by British hands alone. या राइटर लिखता है कि हो सकता है the tigers they were leaving the Pratibandhapuram and they want to be killed by British hands. So apart from this comedy, let's come back. One day Maharaja sent for the Diwan. Diwan Sahib, aren't you aware of the fact that 30 tigers still remain to be shot down by this gun of mine? He asked, brandishing his gun. Brandishing means moving the weapon in a threatening manner. Waving या moving the weapon, the gun, इन थ्रेटनिंग मैनर. और उन्होंने अपनी गन को खूब नचाते हुए हवा में बोला, दीवान साहिब, यू डोंट नो दैट 30 टाइगर्स स्टिल लेफ्ट टू बी किल्ड. Shuddering at the sight of the gun, Shuddering means trembling, कांपते हुए. When he saw the gun, दीवान cried out, Your Majesty, I am not a tiger, but मैं तो tiger ही नहीं हूँ. Which idiot would call you a tiger? No, I am not a gun. उसने कहा, सर मैं गन भी नहीं हूँ. You are neither gun nor a tiger. दीवान साहब, I summoned you here. Summoned you, called you here for a different purpose. I have decided to get married. अब मैं शादी करना चाहता हूँ. Diwan began to babble even more. Babble means he talked quickly, which is not understood. और दीवान साहब सुनते ही got confused and what he said was not clear. और उन्होंने एकदम से कहा, Your Majesty, I have 2 wives already. If I marry you. उसने कहा, सर मेरी तो ऑलरेडी 2 वाइफ है, मैं आपसे कैसे शादी कर लूँ? Don't talk nonsense. Why should I marry you? What I want is a tiger. उसने कहा, मैं तुमसे शादी क्यों करूँगा, मुझे तो सिर्फ टाइगर चाहिए. Your Majesty, please think it over. Your ancestors were married to the sword. उसने कहा कि तुम्हारे जो ancestors थे, पूर्वज थे, they married to the sword. If you like, marry the gun. उसने कहा, if you want, you please marry the gun. Tiger King is more than enough for the state. हमारे लिए तो सिर्फ टाइगर किंग ही बहुत है. It doesn't need a tiger queen as well. उसने कहा, we don't need a tiger queen. The Maharaja gave a quick, loud crack of laughter. And hearing this, Maharaja, he burst into laughter. I am not thinking of marrying either a tiger or a gun, but a girl from the rank of human beings. Then he explained to Diwan कि मैं एक लड़की से शादी करना चाहता हूँ. First, you may draw up statistics. Statistics means number. And he told Diwan कि तुम जल्दी से statistics निकालो, number निकालो of tiger populations in the different native states. हमारे आसपास जितने भी states हैं उनमें पता लगाओ किसके state में सबसे ज़्यादा tigers हैं. Next, you may investigate. Investigate means carry out formal inquiry. If there is a girl I can marry in the royal family of a state with a large tiger population. And then he told him to investigate, find out कौन सा ऐसा state है जिसमें कोई लड़की है जिससे मैं शादी कर सकता हूँ. The Diwan followed his orders. He found the right girl from a state which possessed a large number of tigers. Finally, Diwan was successful. He found out a girl which had large number of tigers. Maharaja Jung Bahadur killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. और महाराजा जंग बहादुर ने कोई भी मोमेंट नहीं छोड़ा. When he went to visit his father-in-law, he killed 5-6 tigers. In this manner, 99 tiger skins adorned the walls of the reception hall in the Pratibandhapuram palace. और इस तरह से 99 tigers skins were decorated on the walls of the reception halls of Pratibandhapuram. Thank you. Next in my next video.